Ranau, but we still in Keningau.
Oh, look at the bulls.
Oh my god, look at this.
And the cattle they grit by the side of them.
So maybe this one going
Oh
on.
no, I missed the petrol station.
Oh no. Still having tampunan. For Ranau.
Very annoying. Stop.
The passengers sleeping. Look at the hills. A lot of cloud.
Oh, flooded over on the right. They're all paddies.
Oh yeah,
Look at them
paddy.
all.
This is a paddy day.
Lots of white herons and egrets searching for frogs. And all there is just more mature rice. See it on the left, more mature
Yeah.
rice.
No, don't have a fruit yet.
Seed.
Okay, see you in Tambunan. We just passing by the Apin-Apin right now. Look at this view.
Oh yeah, very rough. Sorry passengers, very rough road bunk.
Double line. Still in main road. Look at this road.
Look at him driving all the way over the other side of the road, but this is the main road, believe it
You
or
need
not.
to do that one. Very deep in there.
Yeah, suddenly the road becomes crazy. Literally driving along and suddenly this is the road.
Ada tampalan batu-batu kasi.
Now they warn us of a bumpy road. Nothing, no warning before. Luckily the car in front suddenly slowed down. I think they were local, they knew the road.
Even using
Bloody hell.
4-wheel, we still find the dips. Awas.
We're the only ones with an ordinary sedan car. everybody around here has four-wheel drive. Very tough. Look, oh, King of the Road, maybe. Or as Youngie says, maybe.
Maybe.
You started saying maybe now. You always used to say maybe.
No.
Oh no!
Boring hot spring
Can we go or not go?
Going in here, I'll continue straight, I said.
Just continue straight there, look.
Eh?
This is wrong though. They're letting us go, it's just a police dog. I'm bloody idiot dog.
You are right.
I've got to go right, yeah?
No. Better. Same. That's we're going down. We're going pouring.
Oh, bloody hell.
Not even trying new stuff.
It's lucky, innit?
You not look fun. Can you see the cops?
Oh, sorry. So by accident I got on the right road.
Pouring 15 kilometers.
I hate this car, look, it's stuck in bottom gear, look. This is mental. Just stick in neutral and put it with the bloody thing. They're gonna turn left. Oh, this is it?
Yeah, this is
We
it.
came up this way before. I don't know how, but we came up that way before, though. I remember this perfectly.
Oh, a lot of people, guys. Bayar na.
Turn right, then turn left.
10 ringgit na ka.
Turn left, then.
So, we are rent hotel in rent lodge in pouring. So that's the going to the pouring. Can hear the water running. And we're going to Seraya 1. Seraya 1 is where is my mom gonna stay tonight. The staff said we are the first time ever people opening Seraya 1 and Seraya 2. Seraya 1. So that's the entrance. So ini entrance dia. That's my mother. This is the room. You can have another extra. This is bed. So they have another TV in here. Another TV. And my mother. Very bright. So this is the room. That's the bed. So you got safe, fridge. You have a kettle. They have a tea, coffee, and a little bit of snack. Okay, hold on. And another living room in here.
Hello. Hey,
Dal? Let's open. Oh,
bring it up for you?
so much better in here. You have a chair. So this is the garden of your hotel. This is Seraya 1. You're filming. So that's the view. Wow, much better. Very pretty. Mantap gak teman dia mau ide. So ini bathroomnya. Bathroom. Bath. Toilet. Oh my god. Jamie been bite the mosquito so.
I've been bitten on my leg by a big Ranau. Crocodile looks like a...
So, sekarang kita menuju. I'm gonna showing you Seraya 2 location. So you can park your car anywhere in here. Flower, beautiful flower. And this is the entrance of your room. This is a little bit boring compared to Seraya 1. So the entrance is not really. Let's go inside. No?
It's all brand new. Oh, very nice.
So bedroom. Look at them. Look at this. She's very tired after the canopy walk. So in here totally different than the Seraya 1.
This is just annoying. There's
So,
no back button.
They have a completely separate. They have a fridge, safety box, compliment drink. They don't have a coffee, only tea. And next in here, bathroom. Totally separate bathroom than the toilet.